Still sewing buttonholes by hand? You could be making a whole new outfit in that time. Let's show you how to do it in seconds with the SewLaVie 1130. First, snap on the Automatic Buttonhole Foot. Place your buttons in the back holder. The machine automatically sizes the holes to match. Select the buttonhole stitch. Pull down the buttonhole lever and start. Perfect custom-sized buttonholes every single time. We can also sew on buttons. Switch to the button foot and drop the feed dogs to keep your fabric in place. Select stitch 3 and set the width to 2.5. Place your buttons. And always manually turn the hand wheel first to make sure the needle clears both holes before stepping on the pedal. Fast and secure. From overcastings to satin stitches, the SewLaVie 1130 does it all. Follow our official channel for more tutorials or explore our shop today.